glorify, pedestal, honor, elevate.
We gon' elevate and motivate, inspire to be great. Yesterday is yesterday.
Woo! Welcome to Elevate with Vern. So, I am going to be doing for the month of March a lot of unboxing as you see all of these gifts, and I will put it in a playlist. And it's going to be me unboxing a lot of either the packages I have received from people that send them to me, or either some things that I have purchased. But it's going to be reviews and unboxing. I'm going to try to do one video a day. So hopefully about at least 25 to 30 videos you will see this month, at least one unboxing, and we're going to get into it in a minute to show you what I'm unboxing. So some of these are from TikTok. This is one from TikTok. Made me buy it, so I had to get it. So I definitely want to say a big shout out to Sam's Beauty, and you can find them on TikTok. So we are going to get ready to get into this. I don't want to hear no judgment in the comments. Let me get that clear. Listen, it is what it is, okay? Yes, I have a lot of packages, and no, I haven't opened them. I have been super busy. If you have been following me, you know I've been doing quite a few different things, masterclasses, workshops, seminars. I've been doing a lot of speaking engagements. So yes, YouTube has taken a back seat, and I'm not ashamed of that, and I apologize, but girl, gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta get them coins. This is why I tell y'all need to sign up. You can purchase merch, which is available, or you can just support the channel by becoming a member, buying a super chat or super sticker, because this is my business, y'all, and a business is not free. It takes money to run a business. So that is what we're doing. So we're going to start out with this package here. Let me take a sip. Yes, TikTok made me buy it. Y'all ready? Okay, hold on. We'll be right back. Okay, we are back, and we are going to unbox this gift right here. Let's see what we have inside. Okay, so I'm going to open it like this. And as you see, it is an invisible lace 13x6 pre-plucked HD wig that I brought from Sam's Beauty. And we are going to first review it, and then later on in the video, I'm going to have it on, y'all, because y'all know I love me a good old wig. Okay, don't play. So let's see what we have in the box. So we have this. Awesome. I love it. And it tells you on the back how to actually do it. It's 100% human hair and a master blend. Super, super cute. I love that. I love that. Can't wait to try it on. And this name is Selena, and this is a color 1B. So if you're going to get it, it is Selena color 1B. Okay, so let's put it on the side. Let's see what else we got in the box. They gave us, Max Hold hair stick. Do y'all see that? It's a wax stick. Hair wax stick. I can't speak. Oh, it kind of smells like pepper. I hope I don't start sneezing, but it kind of smells like pepper. It's a wax stick. So we'll see how this does. Push that back down. We also have an edge brush. Okay. Double-sided edge brush with a comb. Cute, cute, cute. We also have a wig cap. Now, for me, as you see, this is too light for me. So I would definitely get a darker wig cap, or I would not use a wig cap at all. And what I would do is either tint the wig itself. But we're going to open the wig and see how the lace looks on it, and then we'll go from there. So that is what came in the box. Okay, so I'm going to put the box on the floor. And we are going to actually open the wig. It smells like pepper. Now I want to sneeze. But hold on here. Let's see. Let's see. Love it, love it, love it. So pretty. Woo! Okay. Okay. It has the little hair net on it. Okay, it's caught on my nails, guys. Hold on. Now this is what it looks like straight out the box. So first, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. Take this hair. Look at that. This right here is actually so pretty. It is already like done with the baby hairs. I'm most likely will not be using the baby hairs, but I will be probably pulling them back or straightening them or doing something with it. But look at that, right? So cute. Look how cute that is. Nice and curly. Love that. So I'm going to take this off. And hold on. It has some paper clips on it to show you what it looks like. So this is what the lace looks like. Right? So I'm going to put my hand underneath so you can see it. So this is with my hand. As you can see the difference. And this is without. So really good. Look at that. I'm going to try to hold it up to the camera as close as I can so you guys can see. That looks really good. Look at that. So if I put my hand in it, you can see, right? So I just probably need to tint it just a little. It looks really, really good. So I will cut off the lace. Just want to show you guys this again. I will cut off the lace and cut off the where it is to fit my head for the baby hair. This is a really pretty wig. It's very, very soft. Smells really good. You figure you put some sheen on it, some, you know, your hair products, whatever you need. You don't need to put a lot of hair products on things because once you like flat iron it or whatever you're going to do. So I have a straightening comb. So I'm probably going to straighten this part here a little bit. This is a really cute wig, y'all. I can't wait to try it on. How about we try it on? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I know it's going to mess up the one I have on, but we're going to try it. Just so you guys can see what it looked like. Oh, this is cute. Hold on. Hold on. We got a little crooked here. Okay. I don't know if it's a... Okay. Look, we can part it on either side. Ooh, baby. This is going to be cute. Look at that, y'all. Let me pull it back a little bit. Just so you can see. This is going to be... This is what it looked like out the box, y'all. I didn't even do nothing to it. This is cute. Look at this. Look at these curls are popping. Okay, so we're going to... This is going to be pretty. Baby, this is going to be cute. This is going to be nice. So stay tuned, and we're going to fix this up. And then we're going to come back and see what it looks like. Big shout out to you, Sam's Beauty. Okay, here we go, y'all. Full video coming.
Lights, camera, action, hit the curtains.
The finished look.
Yeah, I've been working and that's for certain.
Very nice. I love it. I love it. And you can part it on all sides. So very comfortable, very cute. There you have it.
I ain't playing and I'ma show it. The day's going fast and the clock don't stop. Ain't got time to blow it, nah. Lights, camera, action, hit the curtains. Yeah, I've been working and that's for certain. Somebody said the game hurting. A quieter taste, you know you need me. Lights, camera, action, hit the curtains. I ain't playing and I'ma show it. The day's going fast and the clock don't stop. Ain't got time to blow it. Yeah. Top of the morning, eyes open, I hop up. Head low, giving up thanks with both palms up.